Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican scrambled eggs. Heat a skillet over medium, sauté scallions and Scotch bonnet, then whisk eggs with a splash of milk, thyme, and salt and pour into the pan. Fold gently while cooking until soft and creamy, adjusting heat as needed to avoid dryness. Serve hot with fried dumplings or bread and taste to balance heat and seasoning. Enjoy the bright island flavors. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican scrambled eggs. Gather your ingredients first: eggs, milk, scallions, thyme, Scotch bonnet, salt, and a little oil or butter. Chop aromatics finely so they cook evenly, and measure a small splash of milk for silkier texture. Have bread or fried dumplings ready to warm. Keeping everything prepped makes the cooking quick and relaxed, so you enjoy the process and the flavors. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican scrambled eggs. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like your breakfast and go darn tough for socks that last with a lifetime warranty. They are cozy and ridiculously reliable. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can share more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican scrambled eggs. Start by gently cooking scallions and Scotch bonnet to release flavor, then add eggs off high heat to avoid toughness. Stir slowly while folding to form soft curds and achieve a creamy consistency, adjusting heat as needed. Finish with fresh thyme and a quick taste for seasoning balance. Plate immediately so the eggs stay warm and tender for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.